What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're doing something a little different. This is my buddy Dawson's 435 and we're gonna be putting some mods on it today. So we have a VRSF 3-inch downpipe and a VRSF 5-inch intercooler core that we're gonna be putting on the car. And we also have a pretty much full Msport kit, so side skirts, front bumper, and then he's got a cool front lip that we're gonna be putting on the car as well. So anyways, you guys, we're just gonna dive in. We're gonna unbox these first. I'll show you what's in the box, and then we'll get a sound clip of before, where this is just a muffler delete and a stock downpipe. And then we'll get started on the mods and see how it turns out. Alright guys, so we got the VRSF 5-inch step intercooler going on the car, and then we have the VRSF 3-inch downpipe going on the car as well. And he's ordered a charge pipe too, but that'll probably have to be put on later since they're on back order. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started and jack up the car and take the front bumper off to start with the front mount intercooler first. Alright guys, well, we got the front mount intercooler out of the 4 series, so it's pretty easy. There's 2 Torx bits that basically hold the intercooler in, and then it's just some C-clamp style charge pipes on both sides. And like I said, he's going to be replacing the cold side charge pipe, so that'll get a new one later. Here's the factory intercooler. It's pretty small compared to this guy, so this is the upgraded one going in from VRSF, and this is the factory cooler. So we'll clean it up a little bit, and then we'll just get the new intercooler installed, and then we'll move on to the downpipe. Alright guys, we got the front mount installed. It looks great. That step fits really nice. And then it's just secured with screws by the factory mounting. And then you just hook up both of the charge pipe sides, and it's in. Massive intercooler compared to stock. And the step looks really good too. So now we're gonna move on to the catless downpipe install. It should be pretty easy. We're using the factory clamps. You can get new clamps from VRSF, but we're just gonna reuse the factory ones. So there's just 2, and then we'll transfer the O2s to the new downpipe, and then we'll slap the downpipe in. And then there's also a new Msport bumper going on the car and Msport side skirts, so that'll make a big difference. And then we'll get everything buttoned up. So let's go ahead and start on the catless downpipe install. Alright, now as far as removing the factory downpipe, we just unhooked both O2s so they come out with the downpipe, and then it's a 16mm deep socket to remove both the clamps. And then I just took out that bracing right there that supports the undershield, and we should be able to get access to both bolts and pull the downpipe out pretty easily. Alright, we got the downpipe out. This actually we found out is not a factory downpipe. It looks like a catless downpipe, and then the part number on this is a MagnaFlow catalytic converter. So somebody built their own catted downpipe for this, which is really weird. We got this out. It was pretty easy. The big clamp on the bottom is a 17mm, and then the top one on the turbo is a 15. And now we'll transfer the O2s over to the VRSF catless downpipe, and then we'll get everything installed again. Alright, we got our O2 sensors swapped over into the new catless downpipe. We ditched the spacer that was on that downpipe. A lot of the stuff we read, these newer BMWs do not like O2 spacers, so we'll probably just use MHD to get rid of the code and call it good there. So now, basically just exactly reverse to put this in. So we'll get this hooked up, thrown in, and then we'll throw in all the cosmetic stuff and be good to go. Alright, we got everything installed. We have the front mount in. The downpipe went in just fine. That clamp that goes to the turbo is kind of difficult to get in. But we finally got everything in. The car's ready to go. Here's the old downpipe again, and the stock front mount, which is very small. Now we have a few cosmetic things to do before the car goes back together. Calipers are getting blue, which is M Performance blue color. And then Msport bumper and side skirts will go on, and then the car will be completely done. So after we get the bumper on, we will show you the end result of everything, the exhaust, front mount, how everything came out. So let's throw the bumper on, then we'll throw the side skirts on, and we'll call it good. guys, so we got everything buttoned up on the 4 Series over here. Dawson is very impressed with it so far, but he's actually gonna run you through all the mods that we did on it real quick.
What's up, YouTube? Well, this is it. 2015 435i. Let's start out with the aesthetics, I guess. I ordered this bumper. I got the bumper, the side skirts, and the front lip and side skirt extensions from Aeroplug in California. Very impressed with the quality. All the body lines line up perfect.
Yeah, it fits super good.
Super happy about that. Yeah, side skirts went on really good. So happy with how it is. It was a sport line beforehand, and these are the M-Sport kits, so way more aggressive.
Painted the calipers too.
Oh, yeah.
Calipers are blue now, like the M-Sport calipers. Then we matched the bars and the grill to be the same.
I was gonna do silver, but Jack convinced me to do blue. Definitely the right idea.
Then the side skirt extensions. We didn't show before, but they got put on last night.
Let's see. Oh yeah, and the last thing, aesthetic-wise, VRSF.
Oh, of course, you gotta add your stickers. More horsepower.
Which leads us into performance mods. I went ahead and ordered a VRSF Intercooler and Downpipe. Unfortunately, they didn't have the stencil. I really wanted to rock their logo on it, but
install was super easy on that too. I was super impressed.
Yeah. So easy. Oh, Downpipe.
VRSF 3-inch downpipe. That was pretty easy to put on too.
The car's a completely different animal now. It's crazy. Woke it up. Sounds really good. Apparently it shoots flamey boys.
Yeah, it shoots flames now.
Insert the clip here.
I think MHD stage 2 is next.
MHD stage 2 for sure. I do have to get a charge pipe though. Well, I have it ordered, but they didn't have it in stock, so.
Just those N55 problems.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm super impressed with everything we did.
Yeah. Definitely, if you're looking to get the same bumper and side skirts, I'd definitely recommend Aeroplug. Aeroplug.com is where I got it. Really good quality. It came with all the...
Yeah, it came with ducting and all the...
fog light holder vents, front vents, all the hardware. Really nice. Super happy about it.
Yeah, it came out good. Whole new car. Alright guys, I think that's where we're going to end the video for today. So if you liked it, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video.
Wait. Shout out Trent for helping me get everything painted. Hooked it up.
Trent the painter.
Good deal. And shout out Jack for helping me.
And I installed most of it.
That's true. Well, not look. No.
Anyways, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And this car is going to be making a return to the channel very soon. And we'll have a whole backstory on that because a lot has happened since the last video. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one.